I'm so bored. Ooh, binoculars, cool. I wonder what I can see. Wow, these are awesome. I love a good mystery book. Granny is so funny. That's disgusting. It's making me so hungry. Huh? What's that noise? Don't worry, I'm on my way. Wow, you're all here. Feed me. Okay, this is the first challenge. A yummy drink. That should be easy enough. I'll need to shake up my soda. You've got to have bubbles. I should have expected that. Oops. Are you okay? That was awesome! Time for my special ingredient, candy. This is my kind of drink. What more could you want? Wow! It's even changing color. I'll just need a straw and it's done. Huh? Whew, this is heavy. Hey, take it easy. Phew. What will I do with this? Ouch! That hurt. Take that! That felt good. Now I'll turn it into juice. This blender will do all the hard work. It needs something else. A nice juicy lemon should do the trick. I'll need a few slices. And then a sprig of mint. Beat that! Watch this, Wrinkles. I'll pour ice and soda into a shaker. Then I'll add a delicious strawberry. Now I need to shake it up. Oh yeah. Look at that! But I'm not finished. Wow, that looks amazing. And there's more. I could do this all day. How about some grapefruit? I'll shake you good. I'm on a roll. Next up, a zingy lemon. This will taste so good. Gotta keep going. I'm starting to get tired. That's the last one. My work here is done. We all know my drink is the best. Whoa, look at all these drinks. I'll start with this one. Ew. It smells disgusting. At least this one is tasty. Wow, it's a rainbow of drinks. I'm looking forward to this. This is great. This is going to be tough. Which drink is the best? It's Granny's. Are you kidding me? Whoop, whoop. This time, I want a tasty cake. Now you're talking. I'm a natural when it comes to baking. I'm using an old family recipe. I have a good feeling about this. Yeah, Will, I'm ordering a cake. This will make things a lot easier. I'll cover it with chocolate. And then marshmallows. Let's put them in the oven, Granny. They're finally gone. I'm going to cheat. But it's our secret, okay? I'll cover the cake with fondant. This will make it look even better. Let's add some color. I'll make it look pretty. Now I'll add black fondant. I want it to look like a cartoon cake. I'll make an edible fork. This smells delicious. It looks good enough to eat. There! It's a masterpiece. I know I'm a genius. Wow. He's an artist. Maybe I'll try Granny's cake. I'm sure she won't notice. That's pretty good. I want it all. I can't stop. What have you done? Oops. I couldn't help it. I guess I'm going to win. We'll see about that. I'll make some chocolate sauce art. Looks good, huh? This is terrible. Wow. I'll start with this cake. Mmm, gooey and sweet. What's next? Is this some kind of joke? Whoa, this looks amazing. Wait, can I eat this?
Uh-huh.
It's delicious. I want to try the rest of it. It looks so good. My mouth is watering. This is the best cake ever.
Wow.
I did it! Next up, I want pizza. This is more like it. Let's get started. Oh, it's so dusty. I'm surrounded by amateurs. Granny, be careful. You can't stop me. Ah, a freshly laid egg. I'll crack it into the bowl. Then a little water. Now it's whisking time. I feel so alive. Now I can roll it out. And this is the perfect tool for the job. Ah, a yummy pizza base. I'll make a tomato sauce. This was grown in my garden. Wow, he's taking this seriously. This is more like it. I'll bash the cookies. Earthquake, hold me. I never knew cooking could be so much fun. Now I can pour out the crumbs. Next, I'll need chocolate spread. Need some help? Give it to Granny. Pow! Just like that. You need to teach me that. But first I need to make pizza. Let's see how it tastes. Yummy! Why don't you try broccoli instead? I know what I'm doing. Now I'll sprinkle marshmallows over it. And lots of candy. That looks amazing. Phew. But it was hard work. This will be great. I can't forget about the cheese.
Wow.
I'll shred it onto the pizza. But I have a little trick up my sleeve. I'll add food coloring to the cheese. Now I'll mix it together. Each bowl gets a different color. Then it can go onto the pizza. It's going to be so colorful. I don't need these gloves. Oops, my bad. I better cook this. I'm going to make an extra special pizza. It's going to be tasty and healthy. I'll need something to make my base. This egg will do. Now I need to blend it. Eek, take cover. Oh, I'm under attack. Thanks, honey. But I've got what I need. Just look at that dough. Now I'll top it with cheese. And even more broccoli. I would definitely eat this. I'll need to put it into the oven. My pizza is ready. I better slice it. It's a work of art.
Wow.
Hot pizza coming through. I hope you like it. Pizza, pizza, pizza. This looks interesting. Wait, is that vegetables? Now this is what I'm talking about. It doesn't look like an ordinary pizza, but it's yummy. Next, it's the candy pizza. Just look at it. Oh, wow, I love it. This is the winner. I can't stop eating it. Wow, I won.